Welcome to this lesson on AM and PM. These are two important abbreviations used to tell time in English. AM and PM help us understand whether a time is in the morning or afternoon and evening. Let's learn what these abbreviations mean and how to use them correctly. AM stands for antemeridum, which is a Latin phrase meaning before noon. It represents the time from midnight to noon or the early morning hours. PM stands for postmeridum, also Latin, meaning afternoon. It represents the time from noon until midnight, including the afternoon and evening hours. A full day has 24 hours divided into two 12-hour periods. The first period starts at midnight, which is 12 o'clock a.m. This a.m. period continues until noon, which is 12 o'clock p.m. Then the p.m. period begins at noon and continues until the next midnight. This cycle repeats every day. Let's look at some a.m. times. 6 a.m. is early morning when people wake up. 8:30 a.m. is breakfast time. 10 a.m. is when work or school typically begins. Remember, a.m. includes all times from midnight through late morning until noon. Any time after midnight and before noon uses a.m. Now let's see some p.m. times. 12 noon is written as 12 p.m., which marks the start of the afternoon. 3 p.m. is mid-afternoon. 6 p.m. is early evening, often dinner time. p.m. includes all times from noon through the evening until just before midnight. Any time after noon and before midnight uses p.m. Here are 3 important tips to remember. First, for times between 12 o'clock and 12:59, use a.m. after midnight and p.m. after noon. Second, think of a.m. with sunrise and daytime beginning, and p.m. with sunset and evening beginning. Third, always write a.m. or p.m. after the time with a space between them. This helps make the time clear and easy to understand.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.